So, the Google Pixel 7a, which is now available in 4 new colors and is Google's latest low-cost smartphone alternative, has finally been released. The Pixel 7a is a wonderful option for anyone wishing to update their current Google phone or switch from another platform, if they want to save a little money without giving up performance or features. While the Google Pixel 7a and Pixel 7 do share a similar appearance, they differ greatly. The Pixel 7a has a plastic back, as opposed to the glass back of the Pixel 7, making it more prone to scratches from common things. The Pixel 7a boasts an IP67 rating for water and dust protection compared to the Pixel 7's IP68 rating, making it less watertight than its more expensive sibling. The 90Hz AMOLED screen is present on both the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7a. The Pixel 7a, on the other hand, has a smaller 6.1 inches screen, while the Pixel 7 has a larger 6.3 inches screen. The Pixel 7a is the one to take into consideration if you like a more compact phone, and the Pixel 7, with its larger display, will be more suitable for individuals who stream a lot of video and play games on huge screens. The Pixel 7a's camera array resembles that of the Pixel 7, however the newer device uses higher resolution sensors. The Pixel 7a has a 64MP wide-angle lens compared to the Pixel 7's 50MP primary wide-angle camera, similar to the Pixel 7 and offering a slightly higher resolution than the smaller models' 12MP ultra-wide and 10.8MP selfie cameras. The Pixel 7a also sports a 13MP ultra-wide and selfie camera. Contrary to popular belief, the Google Pixel 7a's front and back cameras are superior to those of the Pixel 7. You may take crystal clear selfies and group shots with the 13MP front and 64MP back cameras. For a smoother playback, you may now capture 4K video at up to 60 frames per second. The 4300 mAh battery in the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7a is the same size and supports cable and wireless charging. The Pixel 7, however, supports up to 20 watts of wired and wireless charging with up to 7.5 watts of reverse wireless charging capacity. The Pixel 7a does not enable reverse wireless charging and can only use wireless and wired charging up to 18 watts. Theoretically, while having an equal battery, the Pixel 7a's somewhat smaller screen might contribute to slightly longer battery life. The Pixel 7 currently costs $599, which is $100 higher than the Pixel 7a. The Pixel 7 sports a larger display and higher build quality with an IP68 rating for an additional $100. The Pixel 7a is smaller and has a similar physical factor despite being the less expensive model. You could always acquire a case to make up for it if the build quality is a problem. So, what do you guys think about both the devices? Let me know in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video.